Hi everyone, it's Miss Goldman and we are here for our 17th lesson of Eureka, Module 7. As always, remember our live lessons are happening at 11 o'clock and I hope you can be there tomorrow because I miss seeing you and hearing from you, or maybe you were there and you just want to hear my voice again or want a better understanding to help you with the homework, which is totally fine. Good for you. Doing extra work, going for the gold. But remember, if you are printing out these lessons and the homework assignments, to be printing them out lesson by lesson, to not waste paper as we're getting close to the end of school. So we're not going to be using all these pages because we're not going to get through this whole Module 7. So with that being said, if you are printing it out, make sure you are sending me emails of pictures of your work, or Class Dojo, or Google Classroom. That way you can get credit for all the hard work that you are doing. And remember, if you need more time, just press pause because I'm not giving that much time on here because nobody really wants to listen to a silent video. And that's when you should be doing the work. So I'll let you know when I'm going to move on so you can press pause if you need to. So let's get started. So we're back to working with just the perimeter again, which is easy. I know you like it. It's simple. It's adding. So what we're going to do is now for these problems is we first have to label the missing side lengths, and then we're going to write down the entire perimeter. So if you look and see, I found here 2 centimeters. I know that's 2 centimeters because this whole length down here is 4 centimeters, and this half right here is 2, and it's cut right in the middle, and 2 plus 2 equals 4. I also know this one's length right here is 1 because this whole thing is 3 centimeters, and right here we already have 2 centimeters, and we just need to get to the top. So then we're going to add them all together. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals 14 centimeters. So our perimeter is 14 centimeters. So I'm now going to let you try to do problem B. And when you're working on problem B, if you need to draw the extra lines in, you can totally do that. You can just go up this way, and you can even go across this way to help you. Nope, that line does not want to work right now. There we go. All right, so I hope you've been working on that even while I've been drawing them. All right, we're going to go over the answer now for problem B. So as you can see, I wrote 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 16 feet. Because I know this is 1 foot, this is another 1 foot, and this is 1 foot. These are both 1 foot. Because this 1 foot's here, I know this one had to be there. And 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 equals 5. And over here, we get this other missing side of 2 feet. As you can see, I labeled everything. I wrote it out. So let's keep going. So now you're going to do the same thing for these two problems right now. All right, we're going to go over the answers now for these two problems. As you can see, for C, I wrote in the 2 meters, 2 meters, and 4 meters, and 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 6 equals 24 meters. And for D, I added in the 2 yards, the 1 yard, and the 2 yards. And when you add all that up, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 7 equals 26 yards. So there we go. That's how we solve these two. Now, if you wrote these out in a different way, that's fine. There's no right or wrong answer as long as all of the numbers are added up together. And as long as you add up correctly, of course. So let's keep going. So for this problem, what we're going to be doing is find the new perimeter because Nathan draws and labels the square and rectangle below. Here we have a square. Here's our rectangle. All right, so as you can see, we have those, so we don't need those lines anymore. And we need to find the new perimeter. So we know this part is 12, so this part up here has to be 12. We also know a square has all equal sides. So we know this side is 6 and this side is 6. So use this information now to help you find out the whole new perimeter. So you have some 6s, you have some 12s, and this line you do not need. All right, so we're going to go over the answer now. I think I've given you guys enough time for this one, probably more than enough. So as you can see, like I said, I added the 12 and the 6, so we are going to go 6 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 equals 48 centimeters. So Nathan's new shape is 48 centimeters. So for this last problem, what we are going to be doing is labeling the unknown side lengths, which we know are A and B right here. So we need to find what those are, and then find the perimeter of just the shaded area. So just this part that's colored in, and I'll make it a little bit darker so you can see. So what you're going to need to do is do some multi-step problems, because what you're first going to have to do is use this 16 and this 8 to help you, along with the 7 and the 2, before you actually find your answer. All right, we're going to go over the answer now. So here you can see the perimeter of the shaded rectangle is 26 inches, and how we did that is we did 16 first minus 8, which is 8. So that's how I got this first answer part. And then we did 7 minus 2, which is 5. So then 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8 equals 26 inches. So that's how we got 26 inches. So I hope that made sense. And what we are now going to do is finish off this lesson by letting me do my little thing that I say every time, which is that I hope you're able to come to our live lessons. We don't have many left. We're almost done. But please come if you can. They're at 11 o'clock. And I hope you can be there, because I miss seeing and hearing from you. And also, please remember to post your work and submit it so that you can get credit for it, because I do miss you. I haven't seen you in a very long time. And I really do wish you can come to our live lessons, because it would be great. I've missed you so much. And as always, stay safe, be smart, go for the gold. Bye.